we usually associate that child sleeping for 7 to 8 hours or 10 to 12 hours is equal to a good sleep. Now, the quantity of sleep is something which is different from the quality of sleep. So how can you inculcate positive attitude? It starts early. It starts from the time when the sun is going down. When the sun goes down, the body starts secreting certain hormones and metabolic changes, so circadian rhythm, which calms your body and then relaxes your hormonal. Now, because we are in an era of modernization where we have lights all the time available, there is no concept of light dimming happening. Our body gets confused and thinks that it is still morning. So what we can do is start early, like at 6 o'clock itself, take the child away from any electronic item or gadgets which will stimulate the brain. So post 6 to 7, do activities which will soothe the child rather than stimulate their brain activity. So you play a very, very subtle and soft games. You introduce them to, not very attractive gaming sessions and all. So you start that time and then you give them a late night bath, or warm water bath, which will again relax the child. Dim the lights around your house as you go and as you go down the ladder, 7 8, and you set a routine. There's something called as a Faber's method. Faber's method is a method where you set a daily routine for your child. Like, you give them a bath, you read them a story, and during the sleep you put them a lullaby. So you do this over a period of 21 days. The child would get into a routine that, okay, this process has started. I have, my mom has started playing a soft game. I have, given a bath and the lullaby is started. So this will tune the mind that, okay, it is time for me to go to bed. So it starts around 6 o'clock and then slowly set a routine. And, as parents, you'll also have to be dedicated some way that, this 1 month I'm going to dedicatedly spend to set a routine. Once you've set a routine, it is easier. The second most important thing you have to do is, you have set a routine, also set something called as an awakening routine, that you awaken the child every day at the same time. That also will help you in putting a sleep routine on a child. So when you start doing certain these things, definitely you will be able to set a routine, but it requires a little bit of commitment and dedication from a parents. On a wall, just write these 5 pointers somewhere where you can see that, okay, 1 2 3 4 5, this I'm going to do for a 1 month's time if my child is suffering from any of, that I don't have a routine for a child. So this will help the child to go to sleep routinely.